Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Barbie Art is probably one of the most enchanting and imaginative ways to explore creativity, blending the iconic world of Barbie with the vibrant and expressive realm of artistic creation, offering a unique opportunity for fans to engage with their favorite dolls in a whole new dimension of play and self-expression. Number 5. Terra Toys Barbie Be a Real Fashion Designer Kit. Ever dreamed of designing for Barbie? Now you can bring your unique fashion visions to life with this incredible kit. This dress-up kit empowers you to create stunning outfits for your favorite doll. Let your imagination run wild as you style and accessorize. With a variety of ribbons, bows, and sparkling glitter, the design possibilities are limitless. Each creation will be a unique masterpiece. Applying these fun accessories is simple and enjoyable for aspiring designers. Watch your doll transform with every addition. Crafted with care in the United States, this kit provides high-quality materials for hours of creative play. Add that extra touch of magic with glitter and dazzling embellishments. Your Barbie will be the most stylish doll around. What we like? This kit lets you design your own Barbie fashions with ribbons, bows, and glitter. If you love hands-on crafting and adding sparkle to outfits, this is the perfect choice for you. You can create truly unique looks for your dolls. What people say? She loves being able to design her own fashions. Great variety of outfits to decorate. Very fun idea and inspiration for little designers. These keep the little designers busy with fashion sparkle and shelf-adhesive ribbons. The dresses fit all the Barbie figures. Older dolls also, they are made slightly bigger, so they are a little loose on the newer dolls. Number 4. Horizon Group USA Barbie Magazine. Unleash your creativity with this amazing magazine. It's packed with everything you need to design stunning hair and makeup looks for your favorite Barbie characters. Open up the spiral-bound magazine and dive into a world of color. You can create all sorts of fabulous looks for the Barbie Dream Team. Use the included stencils to bring your hair and makeup designs to life. Color them in with crayons and pretend makeup for a truly magical transformation. Practice your makeup techniques like a pro. This set comes with cosmetic brushes and eyeshadow applicators, so you can perfect your skills. Add an element of surprise and fun. Scratch to reveal hidden sticker designs, then mix and match them to create dazzling outfits that truly shine. This comprehensive set includes a magazine, stencils, stickers, crayons, pretend makeup, and applicators. It has everything you need for hours of creative play. What we like? This magazine offers a complete makeover experience with stencils, stickers, and pretend makeup. If you're looking for a way to practice hair and makeup artistry in a fun, creative way, this is ideal. It's great for aspiring makeup artists. What people say? It keeps them busy and love that comes with makeup, crayons, and stickers. It's very easy to use and it is a great gift idea. Great assortment of makeup options. Hours of fun. Lots of stickers and makeup to put on the pictures. Cool sunglasses sticker and hair accessory stickers too. Nice product. Number 3. Barbie Fashion Plates All-in-One Studio. Discover the ultimate fashion design experience. Mix and match over 100 unique looks for Barbie with this all-in-one studio. With 15 double-sided fashion plates, you can create endless combinations. Let your creativity run wild and design stunning outfits. Bring your designs to life with 8 vibrant designer crayons. Add dazzling colors to make each outfit truly spectacular. This set comes with a convenient storage container, making it perfect for travel. Take your fashion design adventures anywhere. Gather your friends for a fashionable party or sleepover. It's the perfect activity for any Barbie fan who loves to design. The kit includes everything you need: fashion plates, a drawing tablet, crayons, and easy-to-follow instructions. Start designing right away. What we like? With numerous fashion plates, you can create over 100 unique Barbie outfits. If you enjoy mixing and matching elements to design a wide variety of looks, this set is for you. Its portability makes it great for travel or parties. What people say? The Barbie Art set comes with a variety of art supplies, including colored pencils, markers, crayons, and stickers, offering a comprehensive creative experience. The set includes a drawing pad with pre-printed Barbie-themed outlines, making it easy for young artists to get started and encouraging creativity. The packaging is well designed and sturdy, making it a great gift option for birthdays or holidays. Number 2. Terra Toys Barbie Tie-Dye Fashion Designer Kit. Unleash your inner fashion designer. Use the included dresses, markers, and stickers to create unique, stylish tie-dye outfits for your Barbie dolls. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for endless creativity. It includes washable dresses, markers, stencils, stickers, and design tools. Spark your child's imagination and develop their design skills. This craft activity encourages hands-on creativity for ages 6 and up. Looking for the perfect present? This is a great choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for girls who love Barbie and fashion. Enjoy authentic Barbie fun with this officially licensed toy. It features high-quality materials, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. What we like? This kit allows you to design real Barbie outfits using a tie-dye effect with markers and stencils. If you love the idea of creating actual wearable fashion for your dolls and enjoy DIY projects, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for young designers. What people say. The dresses they include for the purpose of designing them were so cute. The colors stick to the fabric. Fun for kids to decorate and fit perfectly on the dolls. Number 1. Barbie Coloring Book and Art Relaxation Set. Discover a world of artistic expression with this delightful set. It's perfect for anyone looking to relax and get creative. This bundle comes with everything you need for amazing arts and crafts. You can create jewelry, build characters, or explore abstract designs. It includes 40 pipe cleaners in 20 different colors and 200 wooden beads of various shapes and sizes. Everything is neatly organized in a carrying case. Find your calm with the included coloring book. It's designed for relaxation, meditation, and sparking your imagination. This officially licensed set is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's also great for party favors and classroom activities. Add an extra touch of fun with the included reward stickers. They are perfect for sharing and celebrating creativity. What we like? This set combines a Barbie coloring book with fuzzy sticks and wood beads for a relaxing art experience. If you're looking for a calming activity that also allows for creative crafting, this is a wonderful choice. It's suitable for both kids and adults seeking a creative outlet. What people say. This Barbie art set is a fantastic way for kids to express their creativity. It comes with a variety of art supplies like markers, crayons, and stickers, all themed around Barbie. The quality of the materials is surprisingly good for the price point. The paper is thick enough to handle markers without bleeding through, and the colors are vibrant. My daughter spent hours with this set, drawing and coloring her favorite Barbie characters. It's a great way to keep them entertained and off screens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.